Switching phones on T-Mobile and not sure how to move your eSIM? In this video, I'll explain what a T-Mobile eSIM is, the different ways to transfer it, and what to do if something goes wrong. What is a T-Mobile eSIM? An eSIM is a digital SIM built into your phone. There's no physical SIM card to remove or insert. Key points. Works just like a regular SIM, stored digitally inside your device. One eSIM can be active on only one phone at a time. Most new iPhones and Android phones support eSIM. Method 1. Transfer eSIM during phone setup. This works best when switching to a new phone. Turn on your new phone. Start the setup process. When asked about mobile service, choose Transfer from another device. Keep your old phone nearby. Approve the transfer on the old phone. Wait for activation to complete. This method is most reliable for iPhone to iPhone transfers. Method 2. Manual eSIM transfer from settings. If you skipped setup or the quick transfer didn't appear, on iPhone, go to Settings, tap Cellular, tap Add Cellular Plan. Follow prompts to restore your T-Mobile eSIM. On Android, go to Settings, open SIM Manager or Network Settings. Tap Add eSIM. Sign into your T-Mobile account and confirm. Method 3. Transfer using your T-Mobile account. You can also log into your T-Mobile app or website, select your line, choose to move the eSIM to a new device. This automatically deactivates the old phone. When to contact T-Mobile support. You may need help if you're switching between iPhone and Android, activation fails, your phone doesn't show transfer options. Support may ask for your phone's IMEI number. Important tips to remember. Use Wi-Fi during setup. Only one device can use the eSIM at a time. Transfers are usually free. Restart the phone if activation gets stuck. Click the link in the description for the full written guide. That's how to transfer your T-Mobile eSIM safely and correctly. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. If you have questions or want a device-specific guide, drop a comment below.